It can be very overwhelming trying to create a baby registry for the first time. I know because I'm currently in that position, and I got the help of some of my friends who have done it before, and these are some of their essential baby registry items that they say have to go on your list. Coming up. So these are gonna be my 14 essential items that you need to put on your Amazon baby list. And these are not in any way in order of priority. All of the ones that I have put on my registry will be linked down in the description box below. Number 1 is the bassinet. And a lot of new mamas say they love the bassinet over a crib for the first 6 months. It's because not many master bedrooms can actually fit a huge or a big size crib, but they can fit a bassinet right next to the bed, and it's ease of access. You don't need to get up to go to the crib. You can put it right next to the bed, and most bassinets actually swivel over the bed so that you can have full access to the baby. And for those of us who are planning not to co-sleep, this is great because it gives us the peace of mind knowing they're right next to me while also having their own space to sleep. Number 2 is the Infant Optics baby monitor, or any type of baby monitor that does not sync to your phone. And I will say you don't want a baby monitor that syncs to your phone, because when you're doing all these other tasks and you're on your phone, the battery life on your phone is going to die very quickly, and you can't watch your baby and use your phone at the same time. So you want to get a monitor that actually has its own portable video set with it. Number 3 is a sound machine. Now, we love sound machines because 1, it mimics the sound of the womb, and the baby is just so used to having that sound constantly, and that soothes the baby to sleep. So when you take the baby out of the womb, all of a sudden it's quiet. They're not used to that noise. They're actually used to loud pulsating noises of blood pumping in and out of the umbilical cord. And sound machines allow mom and dad to be in another room without trying to tiptoe around to keep quiet. Number 4, Swaddles. Now, newborn babies have this reflex where they startle themselves awake. And what Swaddles do is they prevent them from doing that so that they can sleep longer and sleep more soundly. Furthermore, babies are used to being confined in the womb, either like this or having their arms up like this. So a swaddle actually mimics that same position that they were having in the womb. Now with Swaddles, you want to put 3 different types of Swaddles on your baby registry, and you don't necessarily want to put multiples of each one in the beginning because each baby is different and each baby likes different types of Swaddles. So put 3 different types of baby Swaddles to see what they like. Hi, my name is Josephine, and I'm a registered nurse and also pregnant at 24 weeks. I help educate new moms on the journey to pregnancy and motherhood, and hopefully inspire you to be the best mom you can be. If you are getting value from this content, definitely make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads that I make. Number 5, the baby Brezza. It's the Keurig for baby formula. And for those of you mamas who don't plan to breastfeed, there's no shame in that, or just want to supplement with some formula, this is an awesome machine to have. By just a push of 1 button, the water temperature is perfect and the exact amount of formula needed for the ounce size comes right out into your bottle. We loved the baby Brezza because it saved us time and it saved us energy. And especially when you have a newborn and you're trying to figure everything out, the more time you can save, the more efficient you can be, the better off you will feel taking care of your baby. Number 6 is Taking Care of Babies Newborn Sleep Foundation course. It gave us all the tips and tools that we needed to know how to put our baby to sleep, how to calm a fussy baby, how to allow your baby to fall asleep on his or her own, hunger cues, colic, anything that you would think about newborn babies, she covers in her newborn class. So this is a must. I've actually gifted this to a couple of my friends, and so I would say if you're a new mom, this is a must to put on your baby registry because it teaches you the newborn stage of life and how to get better sleep with your newborn. Number 7 is Karrie Locker's breastfeeding course. Now, if you don't know who Karrie Locker is, she is a postpartum nurse who teaches on everything postpartum. So from breastfeeding to pump settings to postpartum care, she knows it all, and she has a breastfeeding course that has been phenomenal. I actually bought this, and I couldn't say, as a nurse myself, she has great information on how to breastfeed, latching, oversupply, undersupply, formula, breast milk. So I would definitely recommend that you put this on your baby registry list so someone can buy you this course so you know how to breastfeed. Number 8 is a nail filer. And when babies first come out of the womb, their nails are sharp and long. I know with my nephew, his nails were sharp and long, so they had to use a nail cutter when he first came out, and that traumatized my sister. She accidentally cut him, and she never wanted to use it again. So she bought a nail filer later on, which saved her and absolutely loves it. Number 9 is a nursing pillow. Now, I say two kinds. So a lot of people like the boppy, which I would say the boppy pillow is more so used for baby, for like when you're traveling or when you are on the go, or if you want to have playtime, tummy time. I would say the boppy is more so used for that type of activity. And then I decided to get the nursing good posture breastfeeding pillow because it's stable, it actually has a clip on it, and it actually helps you attain good posture while breastfeeding, because a lot of times women just start arching in their back and they get back pain from breastfeeding. And you can even do one-handed breastfeeding with this pillow because it provides so much stability and support for you while you're breastfeeding. Number 10 is burp clots or bibs. When newborns come out of the womb, they just drool a lot, they have some spit up, and especially since their digestive system is starting to get used to mom's milk or formula, it can be a lot of spit up, it can be a lot of drool. It's a great investment to get a ton of bibs and different types of birth cloths so you can keep it around the house and make sure you're always covered for any of those drools or any of those spit ups that will come your way. Number 11 is the Hakka pump. Now, when you're just starting to breastfeed, one of your boobs will start to leak, especially when the baby is feeding on one side. So the Hakka pump actually is really good at collecting the extra milk on the other side of the breast that you're not using while gently sucking and getting the breast milk out. No wasted breast milk here, because we all know that breast milk is liquid gold. Number 12 is the Frida Postpartum Care Kit. Okay, moms, I know that you're thinking, oh, a baby registry list has to just have things about the baby, but no, you need to put some postpartum items on your baby registry. You may think it's weird and awkward. It is not weird and awkward because this is normal life and this is what happens after you have a baby. And I love this kit because it has ice packs, has witch hazel. Unfortunately, this kit doesn't come with the Frida Peri bottle, so you'll have to buy that separately, but that's really the only thing you have to buy separately. Number 13 is pacifiers. And what you want to do is you want to get 3 different types of pacifiers that have different mouthpieces in it, because you don't know which your baby is going to like, and every baby is different, like I said before, because you don't want to get multiples of one pacifier and your baby not love it. So just make sure that you get 3 different types of pacifiers. Don't get multiples of each until you know which one your baby loves. Number 14 is bottles. And I would say the same thing that I said for pacifiers. You want to get 3 different types of bottles because they all have different nipple shapes. And you just don't know, like I said before, which your baby will love. Personally, me and my sister really like Dr. Brown's baby bottles. And you want to get one bottle that has a vent system, because what a vent system does, it eliminates pressure and air bubbles to help reduce colic, spit up, gas, and the like. These are my lists that I decided to put on my baby registry for 2021. What are some items that you think are essential to put on your baby registry? Put them down in the comments below. Remember, it's always a great day to grow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!